on YouTube. Watch TY38.
All right, YouTube. In today's video, man, we back out here doing another property cleaning. We're about to clean this good property right here for a customer. We're gonna have to clean this sidewalk right here. You see it, plus the driveway and the walk area. Now, right now, we're gonna just take this equipment across the street. You know what I mean? Getting the equipment across the street, but like I said, it's probably take us about a couple of hours to get this done. We'll make sure we get this clean right here too. You see all that algae build up right here, so we're gonna make sure we get that nice and clean, and all the dirt you see got heavy build up in these corners, so we're gonna make sure we clean this. You see it over here. It don't really look as dirty because it's white, but once I get to work and you see how clean it comes, you see when these little areas build up. There used to be a tree right here, the tree fell, and then you can see right here from the trees a little dirt, so we're going to have to get in here, spray up in here, get all around here, spray around there, get around the porch, whole little area. You can actually see the green build up, the algae build up. But we'll go ahead and get it cracking. Y'all already know, man, we love what we do, whether it's car cleaning, property cleaning, garbage can cleaning. It's taking pride in whatever you do, man, with your hands, because in the Bible it said no matter what you do with your hands, you have to take pride in it. Whether you being a carpenter, which Jesus was, or you being an architect, which is the same as kind of as a carpenter, or anything, man, a miner, hairstylist, or whatever, man, doctor, lawyer, all that. But we're finna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Start on this property, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a minute, man. Peace. detail world. Finally got this first job done today. Still got another job to go do. But we got this whole driveway and parkway clean. You remember how dirty it was? Remember all the algae that was built up on the side wall right there? Got it all looking good. It took us about 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Took us 4 hours to get this whole area done. But it took us a little bit longer. I had to stop at Home Depot. The hose broke, so I had to replace that. Yeah, the hose broke right here. I actually got the hose. Right here. So I had to go buy a new one. So this the one that busts. Tried to tape it up for a minute. Try to keep the pressure in, but it didn't last that long. Eventually the pressure died out. But we done. Finna go ahead and go do this last car. I suppose I had 2 more cars to do, but I doubt if I go do that last car because I got an event to go to tonight, and I'm already running behind. I was supposed to be at the other appointment by 12 o'clock. It's already 1:30. It'll probably take me to get done with that car about 3. By the time I get to her 4 or 5, I'm already running late. So I'm gonna let her know. We've been having a hard time anyway due to the weather, stuff like that. But I got everything done here. You already know, man. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit it, subscribe, like, comment, all that, man. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this next stop, and I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. Peace.
I was on YouTube. Watch TY 38.